This right there is a celebrity. If that person goes to the supermarket right now, they'll get stopped everywhere asking for pictures. I don't want to be like that, which is why I make hundreds of thousands of dollars with my faceless YouTube channels. And I believe you should too, because who wants to be stopped in the supermarket asking for pictures? Yes, the first time is going to be cool, but after that, you're going to be annoyed. The first great way to do that is by starting a metaverse channel. The metaverse is going to be big very soon, and because of that, a lot of people are betting on channels about this. One example would be the Metaverse Investor. Currently has 28,000 subscribers and gets a decent amount of views, 130,000 to be exact. Now with about a $10 RPM in this niche, they'll make about $1,300 per month on AdSense revenue, which is good, but not that impressive. So Youri, why do you put this in the list? Well, let me tell you, with a metaverse channel, you can make a lot of money with brand deals. A lot of companies are investing big in the metaverse, and because of that, they, as of right now, have big budgets to spend on promotion so that they can become the biggest company in the metaverse industry. I've got a friend in this niche, Andy, who actually made a ton of money with brand deals and continues to do so, even though his views aren't that much. The way he did that is by hiring a VA that emails all of these companies asking if they're interested in promotions. Another way to do so is by looking at other channels that also are about this niche that are doing brand deals and reach out to the same brands. If they already bought it on another channel, they probably want to buy on yours too. Now, if you're not a big fan of the metaverse and you don't want to go out there to predict the future, let's start a facts channel. These are evergreen and always relevant, which we can prove by taking a look at 101 Facts. This channel has over 100 million views, is verified, and has 600,000 subscribers. They make very simple videos talking about facts about objects, people, and organizations. 101 Facts about The Office has over 3 million views. Now they're currently using the authority hacking strategy. The way this works is that you use a person, organization, or anything that already has a lot of clout. By making a video about them, you instantly get the audience from that person, country, organization interested in your video too. Basically, you steal their audience. This is one of the best models to follow on YouTube because you can instantly get that audience. By looking at their channel, you can see that these videos are put together in a very simple way, making it a great cash cow faceless format. Now, as some of you might know, I currently live in Dubai. Now, I can look outside right now and I'll probably see a Lamborghini, which is why I love the channel I'm about to show you. It's called PD Evolution. This channel is a car channel. Now, the car niche is one of my favorites because the car community is very active and very loyal. I can prove that by looking at the views this channel has been getting over the last couple of months. As you can see, their view count stays pretty consistent and hovers around 1 million views per month. They basically make videos about crazy cars and then apply any type of format that might do well. For example, the top 10 most expensive and rare Lamborghinis of all time, the top 10 fastest supercars and hypercars. You can see a very common trend about the top performing videos, crazy expensive cars. Now, if you've got that money to spend on the Lamborghini, you should probably spend money on your health too, which is why the next channel is great. It's called Remedies for You, has 200,000 subscribers. Their top performing video has over 3 million views. Another one with 2.5, 1.2, 800,000. The reason these videos can perform so well is because they can rank high in search, plus YouTube is also able to recommend them to a specific demographic, people that want to gain or lose weight, or generally just live a healthy life. What's even better is that these videos are super simple to put together. In fact, I wouldn't even recommend doing this, I would make them even better, which is not that hard to be honest. Because if you look at this, you can see it's just general stock footage with very simple captioning underneath the video. That can be so much better. It's a great opportunity for you to jump in and improve this format. By creating solution-solving videos where the solution is a product, you can easily recommend a product to the viewer and provide an affiliate link in the description down below to make additional income. Now, those videos can do very well in search and make you a lot of money, but why not get some browse traffic? Life Hacks and Experiments almost has 10 million subscribers in doing just that. This is a great faceless format because what they do is that they create crazy videos with crazy experiments that already gives you a great thumbnail format that you can apply to pretty much anything. Plus, this applies to the masses. It doesn't apply to one specific demographic. Technically, anyone could be interested in these videos. And because of that, they get 5 million views per month, which is really good. Now, what's even crazier is that in their best month, they had 150 million views, probably making close to $300,000 in just 1 month. If you thought that's crazy, take a look at Tech Zone. This channel is currently getting 13 million views per month, which probably nets them well over $50,000 by making technology videos. Now they've got 9 videos with over 10 million views. Once again, it applies to the masses. If we take a look at the videos they're making, you can see that it's actually pretty simple. No one is showing his or her face, and they simply take clips from other YouTube videos as well as stock footage. What you want to avoid though is just using clips and that's it. Make sure that you write an original script and add a quality voiceover to the clips so that you can get monetized. Now let's take it all the way back to the original top 5 channels. This right there is called Top 5s, has 3.4 million subscribers, and is still getting a lot of traffic on very old videos. However, the new approach would be to create a top 5 channel within a sub niche. Yes, you can start a general top 5 channel, but in my opinion, these won't do as well as they used to. Reason is YouTube is more mature and it's hard to go viral with these channels when you're not able to build an audience. If right now I make a video about the top 5 makeup, then the top 5 water slides, the top 5 football stadiums, basically different stuff, it's hard to maintain an audience. So make sure you start in a sub niche and then maybe later on expand it a little bit so that you can apply to the masses a bit more. But when starting out, go very sub niche. What you can also see is that this channel actually shifted its attention to more storytelling videos, which is a great way to do it because the watch time on these videos will be extremely high. Now this video wouldn't be complete if I didn't put a finance channel in here. This one is called Cash Pro. It's a classic make money online channel, which I'm not the biggest fan of to make the content. However, it works and it can make a lot of money on the ads alone because the RPM is very high, but also by selling digital products as well as doing affiliate marketing on these digital products. All the people watching this want to make money online. You can do so once again by providing them with a product that helps them out with that. If you leave an affiliate link in the description down below, they can now become interested in the software that you promoted in the video, making it a pretty easy way to add additional income streams. By taking a look at the video, you can see that it's not hard to do at all, just screen recording, a voiceover, and then some editing. Now we can even see that this video is indeed ranking for a couple of search terms, which should be able to get them some decent search traffic too. Now even though these niches are great, check out this video if you want to get the high CPM niches and get paid a lot per 1,000 views.